Now for part 2 of our demonstrations on customizing templates, we want to look at the basic customizations for the standard drawing template. Similar to what we did in part 1, to customize the drawing template, we'll just begin by making a new document, but this time choose the standard drawing template that comes out of the box. And I'll choose OK. Now with my blank drawing, I can go through and customize my document-specific settings as well as adding any text or notes or additional annotations to the title block. First off, let's go to the Document Properties, which is found under Tools Options. Under Document Properties, I'll specify my drafting standard, annotations font, arrow styles, dimension styles. Typically, you'll want to go in and verify that your units are correct. Let's go to an inches unit system here. Enter the number of decimal places for various types of dimensions that you might add. And once you've made all of the applicable changes that you want to be applied for every new drawing that you make going forward, just choose OK. Now the second thing we'll want to do is probably add some customization to the title block. I'll cover some basic customizations in this demonstration, and in another demo we'll go into more detail. If you notice, I cannot select on any of the notes or the lines of the title block, and that's because I'm presently in what we call Edit Sheet mode. The notes and the title block geometry reside on what is called the sheet format. Think of it kind of as a hidden layer. We can access the sheet format by right-clicking anywhere in the drawing space and choosing Edit Sheet Format. Watch what happens as I choose Edit Sheet Format. You'll now see that the title block geometry, most of it turns blue, which is similar to the blue and black distinction that you get when you're in sketch mode when things are underdefined versus fully defined. But you'll also notice as I zoom in, I can now select on the various text notes and either edit them or change them or delete them, so they become live for editing when I'm in sheet format mode. So it's very important that you recognize the distinction between being in edit sheet mode versus edit sheet format. And in fact, if you notice in the lower right corner of the screen, the status bar tells me that I'm in edit sheet format mode. So at this point, I will go in and make whatever necessary changes I want to, adding just any kind of dumb text that I want using my note tool. So I might type in a note for description, etc. Or I might edit the existing notes that are here. Now once I'm satisfied with those changes, I will right-click and choose Edit Sheet. Now notice how the status bar indicates we're back in Edit Sheet mode, and my title block now updates and changes back to gray, where I can't select on those entities. They're not live anymore. Okay. Now once I've made the applicable changes, I'm ready now to choose File, Save As, and in the Save As dialog, under the Save As type, I will choose Drawing Templates. Once again, this takes me to the directory where my templates are stored. You can see the existing drawing template, draw.drwdot. I'm going to change this one and save a new template with the name ANSI-IN. Now I can close this dummy drawing, and when I go ahead and say File New to make a new drawing, you'll see my template that I just saved is now available for me to choose going forward. And that's the procedure for setting up a basic drawing template. What we'll do in the next example is show you how to create links to the custom properties so that when you insert a part or assembly into your drawing, it will automatically pull the custom property information in.